everyone, welcome back. It's me, Miss Foster, and today we are going to be creating multiple sculptures using whatever sculpture materials you have access to. I'm going to be using Play-Doh, popsicle sticks, straws, wiki sticks, and some pipe cleaners today, but you might have different art materials at home. You can use whatever art materials you have. If you're having trouble finding sculpture materials, check the kitchen and the recycling bin because aluminum foil and recycled materials make great sculpture materials. So today we are going to be sculpting different vehicles or modes of transportation, basically anything that helps get us from point A to point B. So I'm going to be showing you some different prompts on your screen, and then I want you to go ahead and sculpt that with the materials that you have. I'm going to be showing you how I sculpt mine today, but please keep in mind that you do not have to copy exactly what I do. In fact, I hope you don't. I hope you come up with a way that is creative and unique to you and the materials that you have access to. So go ahead and grab all of your sculpture materials and let's get started. Hey everyone, it's me again, Miss Foster. I'm just here to remind you to hit the subscribe button if you like these videos and you want to see more. I also want to remind you that these videos are created in partnership with Painting Pandas, which is an awesome nonprofit organization here in Austin, Texas, that provides free art instruction and free art supplies to any kid who needs them. If you would like to learn more, donate, or sign up for a live class with me, go ahead and click the link that's in the description below, www.paintingpandas.org. All right, I'll see you next time.